How to create photo collage on Samsung. So if you want to create a photo collage on your Samsung where you combine 2 or more photos together on the same page, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if you don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. This works on all Samsung Galaxy devices and you want to try it if you have one. Now to make photo collage on Samsung, all you just need to do is go ahead and put the gallery app on your phone and then locate where the photo you want to use for your photo collage is. So in this case, I'm going to open this photo album where I have 4 different photos and I'm going to make all these photos as photo collage. Go ahead, press and hold one of the albums and then select the photos you want to use or click on select all to select all the photos at once. Now once you selected all the photos you want to use as your photo collage, click on create. Then here you should see GIF, collage, movie and save as PDF. Go ahead and click on collage. Once you click on collage, then you should see the photo collage just like this. Then you can readjust them. Or better still, choose the format of the photo collage you want to set here. You see that? Then once you choose the format you want to use as the photo collage here, go ahead and click on this format. You may change it to 9x16, 1x1, 3x4, or use 3x4 or 4x3. Then once you selected the perfect format in your own case, you can now go ahead and adjust the photo. So then you can click on this icon to change the positioning, the gap between the photo, and then adjust the curve edge. You see that? Then come back here on the photo collage and change the collage positioning. Then you can click on this icon to add more photos. So once you are done, all you just need to do next is click outside to see how it's going to look. So once you are satisfied with it, go ahead and click on the save button at top right. Save. Then you should say please wait. The photo collage is now saved to your internal storage or external storage. Then go back. Then you should say collage here and here is your photo collage. Is that? So that is basically how to create or make photo collage on Samsung phone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.